Today's talk is targeting VEGF, which is vascular endothelial growth factor, a big driver in oncology. This is actually like a watershed, streams filling up a river, and then the river going to the lake. It's a great example of understanding VEGF, and also understanding how plant medicines might be so effective in combination with drug therapies. Because if you can reduce the volume in the watershed, so there's less cancer cells in that watershed, you can reduce the streams all feeding the river, which is the vascular endothelial growth factor. So here's some of the key microenvironment pathways we look at. So you have inflammation as a big driver. So you're looking again, one of the best markers is lymphocyte neutrophil ratio. Neutrophils are pro-inflammatory. When they're up and going and the lymphocytes are going down, there's a pro-inflammatory environment happening. Even the oral drug Xeloda, which is the oral version of 5-FU, which is a very common drug used, and again, they overdose people on that drug big time. That drug should be primarily given at night before bed. Less toxicity and more effective. So then you have COX-2, NF-kappa beta pathway, the telomerase pathway. You have the hypoxia-inducible factor 1, the mTOR, STAT3, MEK. All of these things are inhibited by silymarin. And it's also synergistic with isothiocyanates as well. And here is milk thistle in prostate cancer, downregulating HIF-1 alpha and VEGF signaling. And you'll see the different flavonoids in there in the milk thistle extract. And I had this one. So the poet and philosopher Mark Nepo said, "More together than alone." You know, to be the best we can be, we have to meet our outer world with our inner world. I've always believed in the amazing resilience of the human spirit. Nepo believed that life has made just hard enough that we need one another, and through experiences of great suffering and great love, we are reduced to what's essential.